Hi gorgeous, my name is Minna Talabt and today I'll show you how to do brows on fleek for Eid using Benefits products. First, I use foolproof brow powder and use the light shade to apply it on the beginning to the arch of the brow. Then I use the dark shade to use it on the arch to the end of the brow. You can definitely see the difference before and after. Then I go ahead and use the 24-hour brow setting gel and apply it over the brows to lock the look. Then I use the Real Push-Up Liner and I start to wing it. Apply it from the beginning till the end to create a nice wing to the look. After that, I repeat the same steps to the other eye. And voila, we're done. And then I use my pin-up lash with the invisible glue, and together I just put them right over the lashes and press and stick. After that, I use the Real Tinted Primer and I just wiggle it through the lashes to give me a nice effect overall. There you have it. We're done for the brows on fleek look for Eid. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!